So I'm going to start this again and VS Code, and I have some other projects also, but again I can't share these other products because these are I guess these are confidential, I will say that. But it's up, and I don't want to share any kind of confidential thing here. First of all, let's fix this because I think we can fix the issue that right now it's have like style is just false because actually I'm using this. So it's after if it error is kind of wrong, then it doesn't do anything and it just return false. So I will use this and mm, maybe this work now. Probably, I hope so. This is going to work. And style is removed. Let's refresh this page. Okay, it's working kind of now. So first of all, let's check this storage, and it doesn't have a backend background image. This is service SVG, and it's not showing anything here. So it is a double X, and it is going to reverse that. First of all, let's presume photo name is undefined. What the hell is this? Photo name is undefined, and okay, so photo name is undefined. Did I maybe I do something wrong there? Photo name is there, so it's not undefined. It's actually a photo. So what's wrong with it? Again, photo name is undefined, and it's only doing it once for me. Uh, SPG is string, and it's double is equal to photo max split and reverse. Let's use that. I think so. Uh, let var is equal to services dot SVG. So now, okay, uh, let for photo is equal to SVG, and photo is set now, and we can use probably this. and it is photo name is undefined. It's saying that, so maybe I should put photo somewhere like that. Let photo services dot svg. Basically, my point is using services dot svg. So, and photo name split reserve console log. Let's see how this work. Uncount where I do and it's something wrong. Doesn't split work like that? Redeclaration of let photo. Maybe we should use something like maybe it's okay. Maybe split is doing in. Let's see how split work in JavaScript. Uh, I don't get it. It's will be work like that, and only thing is here different is I'm using a double quote uh, on the style side and single quote inside of that. So again, it's why is it different? I will say let's use this SVG and text field will be on um, dot and it will be reverse. Okay, and reverse will be something like maybe let's see services reverse. It's not reverse. Maybe I do something very wrong. Something wrong. Okay, let's use zero. Maybe this work. Okay. So first of all, it should be like that. Okay, I have to make sure this is maybe this work. Maybe don't. Let's hope. First of all, let's do this maybe. And my array is a how it's work now. It's not showing any error, so it will probably work here also. Okay, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Photo name is undefined. Why photo name is undefined? Photo name is totally defined most of the in every thing because this is photo and every time there is a photo dot name. How it's undefined? So in the case it is reserved and I just put 0 there and enter that. Photo name is undefined. I know how photo name is undefined. Photo is there. Why photo is undefined? I think I need a change of my pace and maybe I have to make sure I have to work on that paid project little bit, but I don't want to stop my stream. Let's use this again for again maybe it has something. It doesn't work again. If I go to inner HTML and actually sum and so I'm just checking. Okay, sum is working. So const array also should work. I'm just checking it's working or not because I have no idea why it's not working there. Because again, photo name is there. It is not like I'm using something that is not there. It's actually there. If I double triple is equal to and maybe this, I don't think so. This is going to work. Let's check something update of Alpine maybe because sometimes it's happened with me. Alpine get updated and many things that I work previously it doesn't work anymore. So this is totally can happen with Alpine. It is 10.2 and I actually using 10.2. So I am on the latest. Should I downgrade myself? But I don't think so because it's all about this expression and it is not. It's not like anything wrong with this expression. I think I know what's wrong with this expression. Uh, I think it's about this. So maybe it's about this because maybe not. Again, I'm just trying my best to do something good enough. I will say. It's not working again. If I go to Alpine and go to all photos and select images. First of all, every time everybody has an image. It doesn't like you don't have an image, you don't have an image, and you have an image. Everybody has an image. Sorry, everybody has a name. And this is services.svg. It's not like I can select this. And if I can, I don't think so. I should use. First of all, let's use some width and height. Let's use services there. And I know this function is also kind of not working because there is no form of photo add there. So I have to first make it API of it. Maybe I will check SVG because it's only issue with SVG right now. It doesn't have any issue like that with any kind of other things. Maybe I just change SVG to WebP. WebP. So my issue will be solved itself because I don't want to waste my more time that I already waste on this. So I'm so sorry. Anybody want to see that issue solved? Maybe I do it sometime later, but not now. It's still converting. It is a 20 kb and SVG is only 2 kb. I have to make sure I have to do that anyway. I'm so sorry. And also I have to make sure it get deleted whenever I click on deleted. So I'm gonna make it disappear because this don't work as it's supposed to be. Style and max width 300 px. Oh no, px, and I have to remove that, but I can't just remove that. I going to save it on my sticky note, which has something there, but and because it has something there, I can't able to open it on public stream, whatever. But okay, maybe you see that, but I don't think so. You can able to open it if you want to. Okay, so let's get back it on it as we style SVG. And should I just use max width? Maybe not. So issue with SVG right now, and it has a drag on delete option. So it will gonna delete if I drag this image like that above. So it's going to delete that, and I going to upload a single image because last time it doesn't work. So I am going to try this again. Services and upload this image. Okay, the what's just happened there? Storage photos and okay, this is two storage. What the what the just I will say what the hell happened there? I have no idea why it's not worked that time. Uh, I should go to first of all on this page and refresh this because there will be services. And okay, so name actually get everything. So first of all, gonna change that this API, which actually save name with a okay file upload actually does that. I know that actually file upload I designed like that. So file upload return X, which is directory with source. So it's gonna respond like that. I understand now. I forgot about that, but so basically source and directory. So source is actually what I can say about that source. Source has a name. Oh yes, source has a name. So source name should be. I can use like source and source has a name. So this will work. First of all, let's delete this again and try to upload it again. Maybe I should just try to upload that. Okay, it doesn't work. It again. Does it? No, it doesn't work. Source had the image. No, so source has a name. So why doesn't it work like that? Maybe it's not about that. Let's see what kind of function it actually do. So source is red and photo add. Photo has add it on it, and photo add is this, and photo add mean it is the thing I know. Directory is okay. Directory is that. Directory should not be that. Directory is directory. I have and add has a add has a two option there, and directory has a two things there. So so directory has actually kind of good enough because this is this and this is directory, and file upload has a source and name. Is it not get updated there? Maybe, maybe not. It should return something. So we know actually it's get updated something like that. Again, it has storage double storage. How it's something like happen again and again. Okay, so it's actually same totally name there. You should not, but it's saved like that. So first of all, let's see what's the issue here, and it's actually return X, which is location of it, and add, and it's actually use name. I already removed the name of it, so does it has to be something like that? Because I just removed that. How it's still there? Kind of. We'll say that. What is its return? I like to know that also. So so let's see on network. If I upload this image again by the refreshing first, and if I try to upload this image, select single image because multiple images already working. So services and services upload image, it actually add, and response is nothing. All has a response of this. Again, why is name is like name saved like this? I have no idea, because array mysql query has a source name on it. What if I just make it like this and copy that and print r, and maybe I get some of the input. Why it's that this is the issue, and also remove this because this doesn't work, so it should not be there. Again, it doesn't work. Okay, it's actually, I think this time work. Add is there. It doesn't do anything. How it's working to where? So it has a add. So it is totally this. Add as a first is a file, and second is a post alternate. So okay, okay. On add, this will work, and query should not work because I don't do anything with query. Is it about this? No, it's not about this also. Move upload file, it's totally a function. Again, where is the x there and where is x coming there? Because it should not work like that. It should not work like that. OMG, what I do. So actually, I made two managers thing. Is there is a difference because this is the photo API and this is a manager with photo a manager as a photo kind of thing in it. API manager. So it's actually doesn't do anything. It's doing this. It's running this application, not this application. hmm Maybe I should use manager because to be fair, manager is only one is getting this function. No one else going to get this function. So I think I should update that function. And first of all, no, this is not it. This is it. And directory should not be there because directory is a default that which just we set. And I don't think we need this class. We need these functions anyway, but we don't need these classes because these classes are already there. uh, Even sometimes some many classes is not there, so I will say I think it's over for it. And now it will work. Now it will work by any cost. It's going to work. It's going to work. Yeah. It should wait a little because it's not waiting anything anytime. So that's the reason that it actually skipping many time. So it's actually there. Image is there. It's there, but we can't able to see that. Okay, at least it's working fine. Uploading a single image. So let's close that and check out the main issue which are we are like to solve right now. That is make it API of manager, which is right now it's really category. And so I think that should be also not there. It should be here. And there's four things here only: JSON encode and photo all. That's it. Nothing else should be done. That's only it. And I think I should use we should use photo header. I'll let it be. Maybe we should do something like API manager photo manage. Let it be. It doesn't need more difficult than it already is. So it's category as API, and we're going to use something like same thing here, but it's definitely different because photo is getting replaced by the category. Because this is a function category and replace all. Probably it's work fine. And it doesn't deal with file. First of all, it just deal with the data. So what kind of data we are using first, and it's only work it's only add a single item once. It doesn't work with the double item, so I'm deleting that. and get data. All data is like that. Add is that. Add, update, and delete. I'm just using three things only: add, update, and delete. Sometimes there's a show, and that's all. That's many kind of thing, but I don't have any need right now there, because most of the things I run is it will be run on some kind of what can I say about that? I forgot. Let's just forget about that. I will deal sometime minutes later. So there is add and delete and also update. So let's make it something about update. Update has a plus, and I think this is it. Update plus. So we can see the things there. And category, there is update thing. Okay, there is update thing. Update, and its id, and second is data. First of all, we can get id from it, like that. Like it has to be on, I will say, in what I can said about that, in I have no idea, I forgot what it called. Let's go to category first and select the categories database. So we can see there's a slug category id and photo id. Slug name, category id, and photo id. So it will be have some databases like uh, first is will be, definitely there will be name, if there is any. But I will make sure if there is any name, there will be name. So something like that. So s- that's mean if we are editing it, we are not only sending the only update file, we are going to send every of every of document that actually, if we are going to edit a category, we are not going to add only one thing of it. We are gonna actually kind of replace all of it. So that will be case there. And name, and slug, which is which will be, I think, str replace, and name, and oh, I should took str replace, because I am forgetting how it's work. Many times I use it many times, and still I just sometimes my mind doesn't work. So we are going to replace space, if any, with underscore. So something like that. It just mean we are okay. And another thing also there. Let's make it make it complete. Then we can do anything we want. It has a photo ID, and photo ID has a photo ID has a, I think it is photo ID, maybe not sure. Well, let's go to view, manager, and categories. It's not category. No, yeah, it's categories. And go to how our function work. It's not it's category add. it will be category add. So it going to category add and submit prevent fetch. Okay, so basically we are doing that. We are not going to do add use with function, we are going to use with fetch. So category adds and forum then and photo id and then category all categories. How I am doing that? So if there is a categories, we are going to do something differently, I will say that. uh, but we are going to do that there. I don't have any idea there because this is totally in PHP. It doesn't actually need anything else. If we set anything which actually not in PHP, let's make it use of Alpine.js there because hell we can. So first of all, there is a according flush example. This is from Bootstrap. I using Bootstrap there, and we are using. No, it's not be there. It will be somewhere categories extrata. It will be in, okay. It will be somewhere here. So not in nav. It will be x data categories. Categories will be null mostly, but it's not going to null. It will be uh, maybe something like that. Echo JSON encode data. So and I think this will work probably. If not work, I'm not sure about anything else, but it should be give me something here. JSON encoding. If it's not array, it will be null, something like that. And here will be x template. First of all, okay. So okay, it's single thing. So x template. No, so it will be template, and it's like that. It's only work x4. Um, category, category in categories. So something like that. It also has to take the thing. If there is nothing there, how will add? But I'm going to skip that for now and use this thing from here to here and use x text and use category dot name, and it will be called py3 and bg transparent. Where is the image of it? I have less let's use something. Let's just copy it and let it be there. Maybe it's work, maybe it doesn't. Okay, so manager categories. I think I ruined it. I ruined the manager categories. But just I ruined it. Why? How can I ruin that? This categories has a API categories. I have a manager categories. Something happened, something bad happened, really bad happened, and it's also not working. So I actually do something like code breaker. So uh, I have to, I don't know what I do there wrong right now. To be fair, it's not like I know, but not now. There's a 500 error, so it's not 404. It's a 500 internal server error. Let's check on Edge. Can't handle that request. Was just hell happen? Something bad happened. Something really bad happened that it even have any error for that. Apache should not have error, but I don't know where's it save errors. Due to it's not doing anything that actually help me. I'm going to Zamp. I'm totally going to Zamp. And Zamp actually PHP actually working there. It not doesn't work on HTTPS whatever. It also doesn't work. What that what did I mess it up? I think messed up something. I have no idea. I removed the photos. I removed the photos totally. And let's remove SSL because okay, it still not work. I do something really bad. I just do something really bad that actually break everything. I have to check what actually break because this is not a very much, I will say, easy. So app API. Let's search for app API because I think that can be culprit. It has a it has a okay. This is not going to work because uh nothing else. I have to just this is very much frustrating. Why it's not work? What I do there? Did I do anything wrong there? Maybe I have to make it from start, but I don't want that. I already create many things here. Maybe check for some kind of history because there is a history and I I remove manager and category, auth, photo, view, components. I have to make it a very long setting regarding that. So I able to get the issue because I'm not getting the issue. So it's not like Apache can do solve my issue. Apache is not going to solve my issue here. I have to start the PHP server and try to, which again it can't handle that. Maybe something I do much very wrong there somewhere, but it will be show me some kind of error. It's not showing any kind of error. uh, I think there is some kind of PHP extension that can solve these kind of issues, and I have to enable the debug first. And okay, so how to start that extension PHP debug? Okay, so let's go to index and crash assessment PHP debug. Closing syntax error. How can be syntax error? Actually broke my every code. What is, where is red? Where is red? Okay, so I actually have to make it. What the hell is that? I just screw that big. God help me and give me. Okay. Now it's probably gonna work. No, it's do not work. Restart this and maybe again it's not work. Line 32. Where is line 32? What the hell just happened here then? What the hell happened wrong there? I can't able to get that also. It is very much simple, but it's not simple. Where is what I do wrong in line 32? What if I just remove that? Did it work then? Again, 932. So basically, it doesn't close it well, maybe. OMG, I have no issue, no idea where is the issue. Where is the issue? Where is the issue? I have no idea. I will say. If I check photo, how photo is dealing with that? Presume let presume I remove everything from here and cut that and refresh this, restart this and go to localhost 1000. It it has the same issue. So it basically has the issue because the positioning of it probably. I will say probably. Yes, I will say probably. We have to add these somewhere else, maybe. So first of all is global. So let's go to global 17. So it's showing component there and has a API auth there. Think something like, so basically it's use that and uh, why it's not working on API? Should I have to use in routes? Maybe I have to use in routes because route. No, yes, I think route is a kind of okay. Let's use in routes folder because I also made it a route folder. So why should not we use it from there? Because actually I actually made it function here. That's why I can use not anywhere else. I'm feeling so much stupid now. Ah, fuck. Let's copy these. Uh, maybe I should delete them because everything is not there. And restart that category. Where is the category? API has a category probably manager category, and we have to remove that because we already showed that category. So we are actually okay. This is the issue. So I actually adding in APIs these functions which should not be there, and now I am close that because why should I do that? And let's go to routes and check manager routes because I think everything is there. Okay, I should just set this is the APIs probably and APIs. So everything is APIs here. So category and photos, two things actually here. So category up is category update, which actually okay. But first of all, let's go to category and undo it because I think I just made it a better update function there. I should use it. Uh, I think update and okay. So let's remove this because this has no nothing to be where it has to be nothing is they are not going to do anything. And let's remove everything and go to Firefox. Maybe I should not go to Firefox. Maybe I just started it again. Maybe if anything happen, launch server and okay, it's working. So remove that. go to the refresh that, and let's go to profile and manager categories and add some categories, because why not. And categories will be services. Again, I like to add services first, then we can proceed. Yes, it doesn't do anything because something bad happened there, so probably because there's maybe console has some issue. No, submit prevent is equal to fetch. uh, categories add method post body form. So in the body form and forum, where is a body forum? uh, let's go to category, not function. Let's go to category views. So manager categories, and what I'm seeing here, let's see first. So first of all, it will be categories ads body forum, and body forum has a one thing I like to see. Oh, there is no forum there, we should add some forum. So let's just add forum, and make it null. No, make it empty. Array bro, this is a better idea. X model will be forum dot name, and there will be other thing here, all id photos. So it's actually for selecting image, it has to be forum dot photo id. I think that's it. I think that's it. So maybe it's work, maybe it doesn't, who's know. Services. I think this is a better way of talking to mics, because I don't think last thing or last setup is little bit anything better to be. Let's go to first required form ID. So let's go to console, maybe Alpine JS, and check what is the image. Okay, okay, this is the forum, and forum has nothing in it. What the hell is that? Forum. Did I use wrong spelling of forum? I have no idea why it's forum doesn't do anything there. All photos and forums, and forum has nothing in it, because why not? And console doesn't do anything, because why not? Let's submit that, and I'm 100% sure nothing will be happen, because why not? Nothing happen when they submit. Button type is submit, but nothing will be happen with the submit. We should like add something like that. uh, after forum. So I think we should use something after forum, so it doesn't make it anything kind of ridiculous. Maybe not ridiculous, maybe something like, oh, I understand what's the issue. Okay, Alpine. Submit, prevent. I don't use at the rate. I think I don't use at the rate. Submit. Okay, I don't use at the rate. I has to use at the rate first. Uh, how can I can just do these kind of mistake and again and again and again. This is a forum ID. And okay, there's something issue with that. I think this is a very right choice to make it shift somewhere else out of the forum because this is the big issue. I think so. Oh, okay. I'm gonna. I have to complete this again. 5 minute drink break. 5 minute drink break. Ah, so adding the forum. ये फोरम को ऐड करना है यार, बहुत मुश्किल वाला काम हो रहा है। फोरम तो अरे का कुछ दिखाई नहीं रहा। अरे इतनी तेज क्यों चला दिया? एक मिनट रुकना। हे भगवान, मेरे पिताजी पता नहीं क्या चलाया है। 2 मिनट रुकना। Let's use something else. Forum dot 7. So let's use some kind of other than that. So let's use photo ID, and photo ID is null, and name, which is again null, and and just use the maybe. Okay, so name photo ID is nothing. Photo ID is nothing. How it's possible? Maybe I should use something like it does. I should not have used something. Let's change my tactics. Uh, let's use this button here and use this function. Uh, like click. I think this. So now it's work as a click, not like any other way around. So it will be a little bit different there. Main point is we have to make it uh, photo appear there. Let's see it's work that way or not. If I use any photo like that, it's actually selected that. So and services, it's actually selected that. So first of all, let's do something else like make it uh, make a array here. So array will be a body here, and body has a name, I will say, which is name. Name as actually name, comma, photo id, which is actually photo id. So it's gonna work like that. It's probably gonna work like that, and it's probably gonna work. Method doesn't need anything here because it doesn't do anything. I'm just checking how it's going to work. And if I click this, let's see how it's work. Submit, and doesn't do anything. Why it doesn't do anything? It should fetch. type submit and it doesn't do anything else. So that's the thing. That's the thing. Maybe we should do something else because ah, let's let's use here again because I don't think so. We can use anything there. It doesn't click doesn't go there. Let's refresh this image. I think I don't have any idea what should I do there. Maybe it's something like X model or X show, so it doesn't actually make it any issue with my forum. Okay, some element is missing there. Fetch category ads. It's not anything. It's add. First of all, method post, body name. I think. Okay, let's check a example for a body forum. Body forum. Anything else will be body but where. Uh, I don't want to use append. It's method is post, so it is not append kind of thing. It's kind of JSON. We are sending the JSONs. Maybe we should use something like this. Okay, okay. We are going to. We have to use this. This. Okay. Again, there is the same issue. So we are going to. We need something good example of that because I think I've screwed up somewhere. I'm closing this session here.